So today, we're gonna be making a subject that I never knew that I had. So it's Bella. I never knew you had this. I'm not taking it off anything. This is how it was. And yeah, I didn't know you had it. So I love that you just you'll never know that. So like because this is so cool. It's so new. So see, I love that. Yeah, I want to be naming my chicken Bella. It's not for me for now, but I'm thinking. This is my chicken. He is number 1775. 1 2. And stuff, yeah. Princess with a mountain. So this is what he's doing. But we have to make this cute too. Like my favorite girl. He is trying to find it. I'm not taking it. This is my bone in the cup. So this is done. I'm sorry, I keep talking a lot.